Hey, welcome back to the Genesis Principle Fine Art. I'm Alton Jones. Thank you for joining me again today on another session of The Last Cup Until We Drink painting. It's 23 by 20 oil on linen surface, and this was our sixth session in that. I feel like I should have been finished with this one already, but these oils are taking quite a long time to dry, and I'm trying a new set of oils out, so I'm trying to see how best I can work with them. They are non-toxic and good for the environment, so I thought I'd try them out. I like the smell of them, very aromatic smelling oils, and I decided to try them out, but they do take a long time to dry, and I paint in layers, so I need a layer to dry in order for me to do the next layer, and I don't want to use too many mediums to try and speed up the drying time of these paints. I really want to see just how they function, how they react to the way I work, so I can evaluate them properly. So that's what I'm working with today, and I'll share a little video clip with you before I get into painting. I always like to share something from my neck of the woods, I guess, if you want to call it that, from my circle, from my area of life that I live in, the things that I see all the time. And I came by this little guy singing in the trees, and so I thought I'd take a little video footage of him and share it. And so if you're a bird lover, you might know what this bird is, or you might appreciate this. So I'll show that, and then we'll get back on the surface painting. I will see you in a minute once my intro finishes running. Back on the canvas. Thank you for joining me again. Second layering on this last cup until we drink painting. Working on some saturation on the wood of the table, increasing the saturation of redness in that. As I said, I want it to be reflecting the look of cedar, and so I'm working on that somewhat today. And so that's what I'm working on. Beyond that, I'm working on straightening the cup out a little bit. The cup will be painted last, but I'm trying to give a better shape to it, where it has some kind of a realistic look to it that reflects first century. And also, I'll be working on the curtains a little bit, giving them a little bit more life and a little bit more shadow. And so that's what I'll be working on today. As you sit back and watch, hopefully you're gaining something from all of this. In the next session, I'll be working on the wall there too. I'll be working on the wall. You can't really see that now, but I'll be working on the wall, the floor. Floor has to look more like stonework, so I'll be refining that. Refining the wall. The wall is also stonework, so I'll be refining the floor and the wall. And also the grapevine, the bread, the cup of wine, and the olive oil lamp. Those four things I'll be putting a little bit more detail on in the next session. I think the cup will be left for last, but I think I'll be putting a little bit more detailing in the grapevine and working on the bread. Chances are I'll leave the cup and the lamp for last. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the colors now, the oils that I'm working with for today, and after that you'll just be observing me painting. Again, thank you for watching, and remember to take care of yourself, take care of your families, enjoy the videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Continue watching now.